glad you decided to join me today. So first of all, I'm very excited today because I'm trying something so new, and really it is makeup. I don't know nothing about makeup, for real. I put on a little foundation, as you can see, a little foundation, a little mascara, a little dried up lipstick here and there, right? So today I decided, you know what, I'm going to take the little knowledge that I received from my fabulous Facebook friends who are MUAs and aspiring MUAs, you know what I'm saying, and just taking some of their advice and their tips and trying to apply it. Now, before I get started, I just bought me some makeup, and I didn't get the expensive kind, just to let you know. I got some concealer. Well, I guess that's high definition lifting concealer. I don't even really know how to really use that. So y'all don't make fun of me, okay, while I'm doing this. Please don't make fun. Some regular ivory concealer. I'm using some Volumunous curved black mascara. I hope it's black. Okay, black mascara. I got this little wet correcting palette from Wet n Wild. I really am not going to use this today because I don't know how to use it. It's normalizer, neutralizer, cover stuff, highlight. So, oh, and also this highlighter. So I'm going to be using this highlighter too. And first I'm going to use this. It is Almay. I'm going to take it off. This little nasty makeup I have on now. I'm going to take it off. I have a couple of brushes. I'm going to be using this, what is it called? Urban Decay Vice lipstick. So I got a couple of brushes. This is the Wet n Wild brush. You know how they be doing. Wet n Wild. And a couple of other Wet n Wild brushes I just bought. I got these at a really discount rate because they put it in the wrong spot. So I guess these are the little beauty blenders, silicone beauty blenders that I'll be using. So I'm just going to continue to use the Dewy Fit Foundation. But anyway, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is take the makeup off. Okay, so anyway, my face is almost, actually it's not almost clean, but I'm about to use these wipes. Okay, so anyway, we done with that one. We're gonna put that, we're gonna trash it. So now, what we are about to do, so I'm going to use this high definition concealer. It's Fair. That's the color I'm going to show you up close. It's called Fair. So this is it right here. See that? Fair. So when I tell you I've never put concealer on my face, I just saw this dark skinned girl. I just saw this brown skinned girl putting concealer on her face, but it was white, and I'm like, okay, is concealer supposed to be lighter than you? Because I'm already light, so is it supposed to be that white, or is it supposed to be whiter than the white that she had on? Because if it's whiter than that white, it may not have too many different shades lower than mine. So anyway, I just kind of thought that was funny. So I guess I'm kind of looking down right now, guys, because y'all, I promise you I don't know how to use this. And when I tell you, she was putting it like all over her face. Like, I'm only like putting this all over my face because I saw her putting it on her face. Oh, this one of them little silicone blender things. Ugh. I didn't even get a chance to take all that. Ew. I didn't even get a chance to take all that stuff from under my eye. Anyway, I'm done with that. So the next thing I'm going to do is put on the Fit Me foundation. This color is Sun Beige. I've been using this color for a while now. This is how I put it on. If I put this thing on wrong, then please tell me. I don't do my eyebrows the way MUAs do it because I'm not a makeup artist. I promise you I'm not. So now these are some used. They look nasty, right? These are some used little Q-tips. I don't have to use that used one. I have some more Q-tips. I use Q-tips to help me. I use this to help me, you know, kind of blend my eyebrows in. Look, you never know, I could become a pro. So anyway, my eyebrows are okay to me. You know, my eyebrows are okay to me. This is just something that I got from my sister. Some eyeshadow. Okay, so with my eyeshadow, this is my favorite. This is my favorite brush to use for my eyeshadow. This is a little e.l.f. Yeah, the eyeshadow brush. See, the eyeshadow brush, and I do it very, very, very simple. Okay, so this is my eyes. I'm gonna come up closer so you can see it. You see? Okay, so that's that. And oh, this little highlighter thing. I guess I'm not done with my. I wasn't done with my face before I did my eyes. You know, my face has not ever had this much stuff on it. So this is a little highlighter thing. Y'all, I don't really know how to use a highlighter thing. But you know what? I got this brush right here. I may not open up those new brushes. But this brush right here, I don't know. It says pointed foundation brush. So no, I guess that was wrong. This says detailer brush. Okay. Contour. I don't even know what contour is, but it sounds like it could go for this. I don't know what contour is. Contour. Okay, so I didn't even know how to put this on, but I guess you put it on the areas that you want highlighted. I don't know. Ooh, that don't look right. I actually don't really like all of this stuff on my face like this. So I'm assuming maybe I did something wrong. If I did something wrong, then I can see why I don't really like this, which I probably did. So So anyway, let's go to the mascara. The mascara is the last thing I'm gonna be putting on my face tonight because I haven't really researched much on anything else. So this is a new mascara that I got. Now I'm going to put my under eyeliner on. Just regular black CoverGirl eyeliner. Okay. I put the under eyeliner on. And then there you have it. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna put on is my lipstick. I've never put this red one on, right? But I'm gonna put it on now. I'm gonna put these two colors on. This is gonna be like on the inside. That color is gonna be on the outside. Outside, inside. So guys, this is the end look. I feel like I look like a clown a little bit, but I'm gonna get better. If you know anybody who I should look at, please let me know. I'm gonna take a little picture at the end and you might like it. Who knows? Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch a lot of more content that I have. It can be entertaining, it can be informative, it can be just something creative or something new. So please like this video, subscribe, share it with people who may be interested in watching a funny makeup video, or anybody who's interested in business, because I do have a lot of different talks about business, especially women in business. So please just subscribe to my channel. Look for my other links to connect. My podcast is Says Grace. This will not be on my podcast because obviously I was not talking that much. And also follow me on Instagram at ThatDarnJonna. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next vlog. Oh, wow. So I want to go ahead and record. Am I recording? I want to make a point. I've taken all the makeup off except my lips because I really do like the lips, but I don't need all that stuff. I'm about to take some of that stuff back because I don't even think that it does my face much justice. So it was nice trying, but I don't think I need all that stuff. So here I am, just giving you a little update.